Holcombe-Fisher Funeral Home. We've been a family-owned funeral home since 1894, and we provide a full service of various burial and cremation services. CSAV was really instrumental in bringing us into what I would say the 21st century. We had a very basic system just for capturing audio. It was not a very good system, a wireless system that just did not work well within this building. We had very little video capability, and now we have a wide range of services, including a closed circuit system to play on 2 different TVs, which has really expanded the use of the building so that we can have services and have people be as comfortable as possible, seated, and still be part of the service without having to be jammed into one room. CSAV installed a couple of different systems. They installed 2 televisions that we have, including the capability for 6 different inputs. We have inputs for an Apple TV, we have inputs for the camera, a laptop which can show various components like a PowerPoint presentation or a slide presentation. As well, we have a system for audio now that includes speakers out on our front porch throughout the entire building, going all the way to the back, so that we have the choice of playing different types of audio and making sure that people don't miss a thing. They were very efficient. This is not an easy building to work with. It worked within our schedule. We're had enough people here so that while it was an overwhelming, or seemed like an overwhelming job, they got it done as quickly as they possibly could, very professionally, cleaned up after themselves each day that they were here, and really provided, above all, a really top quality system for us.